ExxonMobil welcomes the 2000th member of the European Mobil One Workshop Program. The Profi Service Workshop in Neuenrade in North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany. Less than 2 years ago, ExxonMobil and its distributor network launched a tailor-made marketing concept for independent workshops. As well as providing branding to affiliated workshops, the program contains trainings and sales support initiatives. These companies also receive a certificate stating that they are part of the Mobil One network and, as such, are counted as licensed Mobil sales partners. We are pleased to be able to welcome the 2000th participant in Europe after such a short period of time. My name is Olli Eifert, owner of the Professional Service Workshop in Neuenrade. With the Mobil One Workshop program, we have a strong partner by our side that we trust. We can achieve a good income and have a great product coverage, as well as strong external signage that gives us even better publicity for customers. I saw the Mobil One Workshop program in a trade magazine. By chance, dropped Mr. Belger from the company Brachthäuser in, who has since become a strong business partner of ours. The most important thing pointed out about the Mobil One Workshop program by my or our customers is that they can get everything from a single source, from our advice, delivery, training, disposal and, of course, the strong brand which the customer displays outside through the branding, marketing support and other such things. The advantages of the Mobil One Workshop program are the large product coverage, good margins and rapid availability. The Mobil One branding is very important for me, whether it's the keyrings or the external signage, which signals to drivers that we sell branded spare parts and branded oil. The contractual cooperation didn't pose a problem for us because we fully trust the Mobil brand. We don't want any fly-by-nights, and with the Mobil One Workshop program, we attract our customers for a long-term collaboration. And Mobil One is the key to success.